Did you know that with just few basic skills, you could actually make clothes you genuinely love and they actually fit you perfectly? I've heard so many times, so many people actually think sewing is the super complex talent just for gifted few. Well, that all changes today. Are you looking at the closet packed with clothes that just don't make you happy? Or maybe the whole idea of patterns, machines, and all those stitches feel a bit much? Get ready to turn your dream into a gorgeous reality. This is your easy peasy beginner guide to sewing your first 5 dream wardrobe pieces. We'll build those essential sewing skills that will become the go-to tricks for a closet you will absolutely adore. By the end of this video, you will be proudly saying, "Look, I made this." Let's take a quick peek at the amazing pieces we will be creating. A super versatile knit top, some comfy elastic waisted pants or a skirt, a chic and simple dress, a go-to casual jacket, and a stylish tote bag to carry all the new confidence. Our first project, it's a real wardrobe essential. It's a fantastic t-shirt or a knit top. So imagine a top that fits you just right in your absolute favorite color that didn't cost you a fortune. This piece is perfect for layering all year round. Why start here? Because you will learn key techniques like sewing straight seams, how to work with knit fabrics, which a lot of people could be very intimidated. Knit fabrics are absolutely top for me to go when I need something comfy. And finishing necklines with either a simple facing or bias binding, plus hemming, which is obviously needed in every single garment you will ever produce. But don't worry, it's much easier than it sounds. So for patterns, check out beginners-friendly options like the Handsy top from Seamwork or the Ruby top made by Ray. There are so many options out there. Make sure you read that it's beginner-friendly. That's so important for you to stay on track with your learning process. First of all, start with a stable knit fabric. Something like cotton jersey, it's probably the best to go at first. And remember, when you work with stretch fabrics, your best friends are either zigzag stitches or your stretch stitch. Either one of these will help you finish this project successfully. Next up, comfort meets style with some awesome elastic waistbands or a flowy skirt. These are absolutely super easy to sew and have such forgiving fit. And plus, for me, I think it's a win-win for every single type of a body, for every single type of proportion. So they're perfect for lounging, running errands, or you can even dress them up with the right accessories. With this project, you will get the chance to get the hang of inserting elastic, a total game changer for comfort, sewing casing as well, and if you go for a skirt, the lovely technique of gathering fabric, which is essential for you in the long run. Plus, you will also get more practice with those trusty straight seams, which we already start practicing with our top. So think about patterns like the Luna pants made by Ray, or maybe even everyday skirt from Oliver & S. But not only that, try simplicity, try Vogue, try anything that you can put your hands on that it's a beginner-friendly pattern and is going to give you an ease and confidence to work with. They're easy to read and they don't have as many pattern pieces like other complicated and tailored pieces. So, you can even draft a simple gather skirt yourself without even having a pattern, just by using rectangular pieces of fabric. As simple as that, trust me. Now here I would use probably woven cottons or linens. They work beautifully for pants, while lightweight cottons are just perfectly for those dreamy skirts. The best part about elastic waist, it's incredibly beginner friendly and makes getting the fit right a breeze. It can fit anytime, anyone. So give it a go. Feeling a bit more confident? I bet you do. We've already tried a couple of techniques and we've already created 2 pieces. Awesome. Let's move on to a simple, elegant, clean looking dress. Picture a relaxed pull-on style that you can wear all day by itself in warmer months or layer beautifully when it gets a little bit cooler. This project is actually built on the skills you already learned. You might even try techniques like sewing a V-neck or even maybe just a pretty round neckline. And of course, get more practice with gatherings, the hems, and the seams. The main thing for beginners is to pick patterns that don't have fussy closures like zippers or buttons just yet. Don't go there, don't get yourself in a complicated situation. The Marianne dress by Christine Haynes or Seamwork spanning dress are really excellent starting points. But if you don't find these ones, they're absolutely no problem. Simplicity going to giving you some good starting points. Like this one here, for example. Look at how easy it is and how beautiful the finish is going to be. And not only that, how personal it's going to be. And having that experience, creating something just for yourself is going to be incredible. So imagine slipping into a dress you made yourself. To be honest with you, I can translate that to pure magic. All right, let's add another layer of skill and style with a casual jacket or a cozy cardigan. This is the kind of piece that takes your handmade wardrobe into year-round territory, adding warmth and adding a chic touch to any kind of outfit you will wear no matter where you go. Here you will get to tackle sewing sleeves, attaching facing for a nice clean finish, and of course, again, hemming, possibly with slightly thicker fabrics this time, which is going to be a little bit of adjustment for you. But please make sure you read the manual of your sewing machine to learn how to adjust the length of your stitches according to the fabric thickness. Don't be intimidated by sleeves, right? We'll take it nice and slow. It happened so many times for me to attach the sleeves wrong, inside out, you name it. All the mistakes that could be done, I've already made them and I'm still making even today, so don't be intimidated. To make it easier for you, look for patterns like the Queen's jacket from Seamwork or even popular Linden sweatshirt by Grainline Studio if you are thinking of a knit. But if you can't find these ones, don't worry. I'm pretty sure you can find something like this one or this one, or even something like this. They look beautiful, they're easy to make, they're beginner friendly. So for your first jacket, it's a good idea to choose very stable and absolutely easy to handle fabrics. I would say maybe even like fleece, why not, to practice. Sweatshirt knit, or even light denim. You're building a seriously versatile wardrobe now. You also need to build that confidence along the way. Don't forget about that. Now, our final piece isn't actually clothing, but it's an incredible practice and satisfying project, a versatile tote bag. Why a tote bag, you ask? Well, it's a fantastic way to really nail down your skills in sewing straight seams, mastering corners, which are going to be coming handy later on when you learn how to create different pieces, finishing edges neatly, and of course, making sturdy straps. Now, think of it as your stylish victory lap, right? There are tons of free beginner's tote patterns out there online, like this one, or even this one, right? A little bit more complicated, but still so easy to achieve. This is your chance to play around with sturdier fabrics like cotton canvas or denim or anything that you can put your hands on. They're going to have a thicker texture and is going to give you a little bit more of a sturdy hand. Plus, you will have a very beautiful handmade bag to carry your sewing supplies for future projects or just to show off your new skill, right? Why not? Now look at that. You didn't even know you're going to be able to make when you originally started planning it, and a whole new set of skills under your belt. You've learned to thread your machine, number one. So straight seams, so important. Understand pattern basics, which can move you forward really quick. You'll learn how to hem and maybe even tackle knits, which a lot of people are very intimidated about. And of course, don't forget attaching sleeves. So see, that's already amazing progress. Now, many pattern companies like Seamwork, Closet Core Patterns, McCall, Simplicity, Vogue, they all have special beginner collections with fantastic, easy to follow instructions. And don't forget all the free patterns and sew along you can find from places like, look at this, Mood Fabrics. There's so many ideas here. There is also a lot of YouTube creators that are posting and sharing free patterns. Just always look for pattern label beginner or easy or anything that is going to give you the confidence. Do not throw yourself in a deep end too quick so you don't chip the confidence. So now I'm going to share a few golden rules as you keep going. Please always start simple with easy patterns and forgiving fabrics. Don't try to run before you can walk, right? We always heard that before. Practice on scraps first. They are your best friends, to be honest, for testing stitches and getting comfortable. It eliminates the waste by a lot. Definitely also try your garments on as you sew. It helps you catch any fit issues early on. And most importantly, go slowly and really enjoy the process. I would also add here, please don't forget to press every single seam you create because it's going to lead to a very nice, clean finish look at the end. Now, every single sewist makes a ton of mistakes, trust me. That's honestly how we all learn, right? So just grab your seam ripper, unpick, and try again. It's tough, but in the end, it's so rewarding. And there you have it. From a simple knit top to a stylish tote, you've explored 5 key pieces to start building your dream handmade wardrobe. Now, you've tackled basic t-shirt, comfy elastic waistbands or skirts, chic simple dress, and even a casual jacket. Now, you might have started this journey just dreaming, right? Maybe feeling a little bit unsure, but now you have the know-how and the basic skills to actually make it happen. Each stitch has built not just the garment, right? But your confidence as well, which is so important to move forward. So, which of these 5 pieces are you most excited to sew first? I'd love to hear about your sewing plans, how you started, where you are with your journey. So let me know in the comments below. Also, I want to remind you that you're going to find a link in the description below for a lot of products, fabric sources, online fabric sources. Now we all need a trusty, reliable source since Joanne is gone. You're going to find all those links in the description below with the sources that I normally go to for any of my needs. I'm also going to share with you my absolute favorite book, The Sewing Book by Alison Smith. I'm going to place the link in the description below. If you think it's going to inspire you, it's going to be a great investment. If you found this guide helpful and you're ready to keep going on your sewing adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on more sewing guides to help you create. Now, my friends, happy sewing, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what you're going to make. Take care and have an amazing summer.